Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. And as we can already see, we have a boat. This boat right here looks so nice. Honestly, I really love how this boat looks here. Looks so nice so far. I'm not sure if it's done yet or not, but so far it's looking really nice. Yeah, we haven't seen this yet, so here it is. It looks pretty cool, pretty nice boat. Looks really good. And if we actually scroll up a bit here, we have a boat interior. We already went over this in a different future updates video, previous one, but yeah, it looks amazing. This is a really nice interior. And then if we scroll up a bit more, we have another boat right here. This boat here, I was about to say car. This boat here looks really nice. It actually looks pretty detailed too. A really nice boat. Looks amazing. But yeah, those are the boats. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure those are the boat future updates we have currently, but hopefully there's more. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think that's all for now, but we can hop over to the Southwest Florida Trello and check out a bit more about these boats. Some more info we have on the boats. Over here we have two more boats. This is pretty old though. It's been here for a while, but this boat here looks really detailed, which looks really cool. And then we have a less detailed boat, but this car I said car, but this boat here also looks really cool. But yeah, and yeah, pretty cool. But that's it for the boats. This car right here still hasn't came out yet. Apparently it is delayed for the rear windows. So yeah, this car still hasn't came out yet. I think they're working on the rear windows. It says right here. But yeah, this car pretty cool, convertible Mustang. This was the past update, which also released yesterday, I think. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. Alright, back to the Southwest Florida Discord server here. We have a remodel here. This car is free in game. This car, pretty nice, hatchback, pretty cool. And then we got a Ferrari. This looks really nice. The steering here, I don't think this feature came into the game yet. I think they're still working on that. But yeah, and then we got a Porsche here. This car looks really nice. And then we got a Porsche. The Pacifica minivan here still hasn't came into the game yet. And then we got a McLaren right here. Looks sick, pretty nice. We got these two BMWs here, still haven't came into the game yet. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.